Hi, I'm Brad Pattison. I'm the Director of Engineering at Rake Machine Company. And today we'd like to show you our latest rendition of the steel rake wall table. This table was built on the Generation 3 Trident technology, where we stress accuracy and strength. First thing we'll try to show you today is, like our other rake wall tables, we have a fixed side that is fixed in terms of angle. This is perpendicular to the travel, and this tabletop is where the base of any tall wall or rake wall would be located. It is equipped with adjustable counterbalanced stud locators, which can be adjusted to any position to accommodate the needs of the wall. We have our new squaring stop system that is located at both ends of the table that can adjust to any position by simply relocating the clamp with this quick change handle and referencing the wall from either this side or the opposite side, depending on where the reference is on your rake wall. And of course, as always, all of our steel stud equipment comes with the twin screw dolly, the steel screw dolly, that will fasten both the top and the bottom surface of the wall panel. So once the track is installed and the studs are installed, you can locate the dolly over the stud and track and fasten both the top and the bottom simultaneously. Each dolly is equipped with 2 push buttons so that you can operate it from either end. We have selector switches that can turn off either the top or the bottom screw if necessary. And each one is completely wired in to the system, and all the power and air is coming up through the gore track, which supplies that nice and tidy. The squaring lip for the track, as you can see, is tubular steel, 3x3 tubing, which provides a very strong and stable surface to clamp the wall with. And this top is adjustable lengthwise by simply moving the drum switch located on the end of the table. Now, this table has been built for a 20-foot range, but they can be built to practically any length, up to 80 feet if necessary. The conveyance of the wall panel when it's finished is done with a pop-up skate wheel system. You notice you didn't hear any rattling? That's part of the new Gen 3 system. Now, along with the adjustable top for the straight side of the panel, we also have intermittent supports, which are also equipped with the a squaring stop with counterbalanced stud locators that can be relocated, and the skate wheel conveyance system. These tops can be positioned anywhere along the length of the table. And the number of these will be determined by the overall length of the table. In this case, we have 2 intermittent tops, and in longer tables we would have more, obviously, and shorter tables less. But they're just simply positioned by rolling them along the same track system that the tabletop moves on. Now we'll go to the pivot end of the table. So now here we are at the pivot end of the machine. Now you'll notice some similarities between this tabletop and the first tabletop. Still the same 3-inch tube squaring lip, which provides the strength that's necessary for clamping the top end of the wall. We still have a fin here that I didn't talk about before. These intermittent fins are located to clamp more securely the taller cross sections of wall panel. So this will handle 4, 6, and 8-inch studs and tracks, and these fins help in clamping that more solidly. The main difference between this particular tabletop and the fixed tabletop are the stud locators. Now before, we had counterbalance cast iron stud locators, but here we have large diameter pins. And the reason for that is the studs are going to make contact with these at all sorts of different angles. So we needed a round profile for that stud to rest against at whatever angle we're at. And these again are completely adjustable along this unistrut. So we can position a wall panel anywhere and with any stud location centers that you desire for this particular panel. Again, the screw dolly is on this end also, does the same function that it performs on the other end. So let's talk about how we adjust the pitch of the rake side. As you notice, we have a slew ring here that has holes drilled in to locate this at the common pitches. So in the center, we're at a 0, 12, and then we go 1, 12, 2, 12, 3, 12, all the way up to 12, 12. And it's just simply a bolt that you can withdraw to release the slew plate from the frame. We have indicator lines that show you where you are, and I'll show you how that looks when we change the angle. And once the desired angle is achieved, we can simply replace the bolt, tighten it down, and we're ready for the next wall panel. Each tabletop is equipped with its own electrical disconnect. Although there's one connection for the table electrically at 120 volt, 30 amp, we have two disconnects that are located at either end of the table, so that you can turn this side of the table off to do maintenance and turn that side off when you want to do maintenance on that end. We have one air connection located at the head end of the machine, and that's just simply 100 psi, approximately 4 CFM. That covers the standard features of the Triad steel rake wall table. Custom features can be added at customer request. Just call us for a quote and we'll be happy to accommodate you. Thank you for paying attention and listening. Have a great day.